Today, I am reviewing the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let me begin with performance, because this is where the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 really impresses. The Intel Core Ultra 7 155U is a 12-core processor with 2 performance cores that can boost up to 4.8 GHz. Combined with 32 GB of fast DDR5 RAM, it handles demanding multitasking with ease. I regularly work with 25 to 30 Chrome tabs open, run large Excel spreadsheets with complex formulas, join multiple teams and Zoom meetings with screen sharing, keep OneDrive and Outlook active, and even do some light photo editing or note-taking in OneNote. Everything stays smooth and responsive without any noticeable lag or slowdown. Boot times are extremely fast thanks to the 1TB SSD. The build quality continues the ThinkPad tradition of durability. It feels robust enough to handle daily commuting and business travel while maintaining a professional appearance that works well in client meetings. Windows 11 Pro brings enterprise-grade security features, advanced management tools, and better support for virtualization if you need it. The AI-powered Copilot integration feels genuinely useful for streamlining workflows rather than just being a gimmick. After weeks of intensive daily use, I can confidently recommend the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 in this upgraded 32 GB RAM and 1TB SSD configuration as an outstanding choice for professionals, educators, developers, small business owners, students, and anyone who needs a reliable, high-performance laptop for work, online classes, virtual meetings, and everyday productivity. The combination of strong processing power, generous memory and storage, the comfortable 16-inch display, and that legendary ThinkPad keyboard makes it incredibly versatile and future-ready. The certified upgrade from Microelectronics, too, with its own 3-year warranty on the RAM and SSD adds extra peace of mind on top of the original manufacturer coverage.